Mr. Ventura, I'd like you to meet Hitu, Chief of Tribal Security in the province.
Please, don't get up.
At this point, we don't have any leads, but we've had similar problems in the past. Oh. Sorry. This is Derek McCain, spotted several times in the province. In the past year, Mr. McCain makes a handsome living from rare and endangered species. Hitu. Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. The natives call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been seen here! Mr. Ventura! This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Honk, 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 honk.
Hey-ho, Sid!